Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to find your Facebook password. Now if you want to see your own Facebook password then this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you are already installed the Facebook app on your device. So if you have not installed the Facebook app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that simply open the Facebook app, and as you can see this is the home page of Facebook, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various things at the very upper taskbar. Now to find your password, the thing is that Facebook does not show your current password for security reasons, but you can simply reset it if you have forgotten it. So now to reset it, you just need to click on the option of menu at the very bottom right of the taskbar, and from here you just need to click on the option of settings and privacy, and here you just need to select the options, or you just need to click on the option of settings, and from here you just need to click on the option of account center and click on the option of password and security, and here you will see the option of change password to factor authentication or save login. So if you see the option of save login, then you'll be able to find the account or things which I have saved login for it. So if you are able to see the password from it, then that's good, but if you are not able to see it from there, you may simply change the password and save at that time. But if you go on the password section of the iPhone, and here if you have saved any password, then you'll be able to see it right here by clicking on the option of all. So check if there is any password saved for your Facebook account. So if you find it, then you'll be able to see it from here, but if you have not saved it, then you won't be able to see the Facebook password. The thing which you can do is you can simply reset it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.